Alright, in this video we're going to be fixing the messy things in our room, okay, together. So join me on a journey. We're going to be fixing things. The first thing we're going to do is our roof is leaking, and we're going to do that together because there are spots that I'm able to identify, but we're going to wait for the next student so that we're going to also fix those ones together. Let us start with the first spot. Okay, like over here, this one here, this is the first spot that tends to leak when it rains. So today I'm going to fix it. So this is what I'm going to use. This silicone. I'm going to use silicone to close that off. Okay. Unfortunately, it has already dried up. We have to purchase a new one. So we're not going to close that hole because it can't even come out. See? It can't. It's very hard. It's very hard. So this one has dried up. We have to purchase a new one. So here, this one has already failed. We have to purchase a new one, then fix it. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to clean inside. Okay, we're going to be cleaning our windows. Yeah. Okay, since it's made out of mud, the house is made out of mud, we're not going to use much water. See, it's made out of mud, and this is how our window looks like. Okay, and over here, our house is seriously cracking. See, it's cracking. There's no way to fix it. Okay, so let us keep on cleaning. I think it's already clean. So over here, this is like our battery. Okay, when it rains, it stops working. Okay, so when the sunshine, it works. So over here, this is like our tiny inverter. Okay, so it only works like during the day. At night it goes off, but still at night we have little power. So like at night you cannot charge a phone. Okay, so this is our switch. So you see, there's power now. So we're going to be cleaning it. We're going to clean it. So I have to disconnect and do a little mopping and dusting. Okay, just have to clean the surface. Sometimes it can spark. Okay. So I'm going to fix it back. I know it's going to spark. So I'm going to be cleaning the sofas. This is the only detergent I have. I have liquid soap, brush and water. So guys, tell me what you use for cleaning your sofas at home. Ours are very dusty. Yeah, ours are very dusty because we are staying near a roadside. So what do you guys use, and how is the setup? Okay, how is the setup? So I'm going to be cleaning. So we're going to be pouring our liquid soap in the water. Yeah, it has to be soapy. I think that sounds enough. Then we're going to do some mixing. So I'm going to remove our simple mat so that it does not get wet. Okay, because we are going to do a lot of deep cleaning today. So I'm going to start with this one. As you can see, it's too dirty. So this is how I do it. Is this the best way, guys? Guys, is this the best way to clean sofas? If this is not the best way, what's the best way to clean sofas? Tell me in the comments. See, it's kind of dirty. So this is like the before, and I'm going to show you the after. And for these ones here, I'm just going to take them outside to dry and receive some car heat. So let us take them outside so that I can dry, so that I can continue cleaning the other part, because I'm already tired. So right now the pillows are already there outside, they're drying. So let us continue with our cleaning. Okay, now I'm going to clean this one. See, this is like before. I'm going to show you like the after. And this is where sometimes I sleep. Okay, we have a room there, but I prefer sleeping here. This is where I sleep. See, this is my bed. So it's time to take the bed sheet and fold. Since I'm doing cleaning, I'll do that later. This is our work desk. Okay, power bank, tripod. Okay, yeah. Hey, by the way, I want to bring more flowers. Which types I bring? I love flowers. Like we have this one over here, and then we have this one. Then this is the fan that we use. A torch at night. Then this is our radio. I'm planning to change the brand, so I want you guys to recommend which one is the best with the heavy sound. Then we have power banks. Just this one simple setup. And as earlier I showed you guys that the house is seriously cracking. You can see over there, it's cracking again. Over here, it's cracking. Okay. Another crack over there. Okay, even up there, everywhere is cracking. So it's earlier I said this house is made out of mud, bamboo, timber. Yeah. And right now it's time for breakfast. We have rice and paste. So basically what you do is you mix it like this. Until like you get a uniform mixture. So the paste is little, so it's not going to cover everything. And this is my water. Basically I don't take like hot things. Yeah, I don't take hot things because they tend to burn my lips. You get so, and it affects me a lot. So that's why I don't like taking hot things. Instead of hot things, I prefer water. So this is how we do it. See, a lot of paste. After that, water. When we are done with the breakfast, we are going to continue with our cleaning. Okay, because the house is dusty. So we are still cleaning and dusting the bags. So that's still our first setup. So how is it, guys? This is the first setup. How is it? Okay. So you clean. Enough. Put it up. It's heavy. And guys, by the way, we have rats that are disturbing us. So what do you use like for killing rats? You see over here, these are the feces. Over here, these are the feces. Okay, these are the feces. See, they only appear at night. So what do you recommend? And for me, this is how I mop. The easiest way is you pour water, then you put detergent, then you pour water, then after that you pour clean water, and then you mop. That's the easiest way. And after that you leave it for some minutes. So like when the temperatures are hot, it will not take long, you see. It's even drying up. Yeah. Okay, well, so let us check on Beckham. Beckham is washing. Beckham, what are you doing?
I'm washing, sir.
See, he's washing. So here what we use is a liquid soap. Okay guys, this is like the final setup after cleaning. So how is it? See? This is the final thing. And here water's fell to floor. It's still dripping because I've washed it. I've washed like this down part. See? I've washed like the down part, so it will take some time. And right now the temperatures are very low. Okay. I've cleaned everything. So everything is now clean. Yeah. See, the floor is clean. But unfortunate, it's cracking. Okay. Okay. Everything is already clean. See. Okay. So tell me where you're watching from. Anything else will remove or adjust. Okay. This is like the view from the other side. Our chair is an L. Eh? See? It's not clean. So tell me where you're watching from. Something else will remove or adjust. Okay, now for this is where we keep our drinking water, but this one tends to leak. So thank you for watching. See you in the next coming videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and give us your review or a comment.